Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix application made too many requests in Windows 11, 10. First method is set date and time automatically. Second method is right-click Start button, click Run, type Wsreset. Third method is right-click Start button, click Run, type ccolan /Windows /software distribution /download. Delete all files and folders. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.